Hello class 4. So today we have a new lesson about Windows Explorer. And Windows Explorer is used to move between drivers and folders so you can see what files you have in your computer. Also you can rename or copy or cut. Cut it means move or delete folders and files in your computer. So also, these are the advantages of Windows Explorer. We say to copy, move, delete, and create also folders and delete them. So first, how to run Windows Explorer. We will do these steps from Start menu, all programs. I will look for accessories. They are here. And here we have Windows Explorer. So this window we call it Window Explorer. So again I will close this. We will do it again. Start menu, all program, accessories, Windows Explorer. So this is the first point in our class today. Now I can view the files or content of drivers and folders. How? When I open Windows Explorer from accessories, and here it is. So the files in your computer, they are stored inside these four things, inside local disk C, D, and E. So these three we call them drivers. So this is driver C, and this is driver D, and this is driver E. So if I want to see what's inside driver C, I click on it and you will see the content or the files inside local disk C here. Look, now I am in local disk C. Another way of seeing the files inside local disk C is by clicking on this triangle. Can you see it? Clicking here, and now look, you have all the files and folders in local disk C. If I want to close it, click this one and it will be closed. So this one is to open and again to close. Now we saw how to view the files and folders in local disk C. The same here, if you have local disk D and local disk E or D again, so you can see all the files. This is example, you can do it. He says open the local disk C and see the files and folders. So as we did, this is, we said you click on local disk C and you will see the files and folders. Now let's do this activity together. In this activity we will learn new things: how to name any folder, how to copy folders and paste them, and how to cut, it means move any folders and files from one place to another, and the last thing, how to delete files and folders. We will start with number 1. We will change any file and folder. So we open, this is Windows Explorer that we opened. I'll go to local disk C and I'll choose any folder to change the name. So for example, I'll choose this key M. If I want to change the name, I will right click, make sure guys, not left, right click with your mouse and choose rename, and now write any name you want. For example, I will call it class 4 and click enter. Now I rename this folder. You can do it with any folder you want. For example, this one, right click, rename, and do the same steps. Now, after we learn the first one, we will do number 2. Here he said copy any file and paste it in the disk C. So for example, I will open local disk D. I want to copy any file. I'll just right click on that file or folder. This is, we call them folders, and the files are here like this. So this is file, or this file. I will right click on it, and here I have copy. Is this done? No, you still want to go to the place you want to put the file, for example in C, and I will right click in any empty place and click paste. Now he said it will start copying the files. It is done. So this is the file that you copy. If I want to move a file, what's the difference between copy and cut? When we see here, I copied this file, but when I go to local disk D, the previous or the old place, I will find that the file is still here. So it didn't change. I just took one copy from this file. Now, if I want to move it, it means I will take it from here. After taking it, so right click and click cut, and I'll go, for example, to any place, for example here music. I will right click and click paste. Now it is pasted. Now can we find it in local disk D? Let's check. Look, it's not here. I couldn't find it because why? Because we did cut. So the cut take the actual file, the real file, and put it in another place. But copy take only copy of that file and take it in any place you want. The last thing for today is how to delete folders and files. Here, for example, we open this. I want to delete a folder or file here. For example, this Ali, you want to delete it. Right click and you have the option delete. He will tell you, are you sure you want to delete it? I'll say yes, and it is deleted. Thank you. This was the last point for our class today.